Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct, Character Modeling. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Just giving you a heads up and just some summary since we're working with phonemes and how to create expressions and everything. Let's talk about that this week before we get into it. So just give you a heads up, I posted a discussion so you can post a reply to it. Please let me know if you have any questions about that. Other than that, let's get into it, finish your grades and everything. So yeah, phonemes are just really adding speech to expressions and expressions on a character's face that are trying to form words. Phonemes can be matched with expressions that cause emotion, such as horror or happiness. Now, a lot of times when you're visually sounding the vowels and the consonants, you have to sound out the word itself and start with simple words. Use a mirror, use a camera, try to reflect it, and then you can kind of see how the mouth forms with everything going on it. And that way you can combine those images of how the mouth says A, O, U to create sentences and phrases and words. You can even use consonants to create expressions such as the P and the F sound, where it'll start P and then F, where you bite your tongue and everything. So if you put those together, you can make like a gas noise or something like that. That's how that works pretty well. Now, please take a look at the list and everything. This is on your class and everything to make sure these are the types of images I want to see when you're taking a look at your week 6 assignment. And that'll be cool. All right. Other than that, just let you know you have your discussion posts online. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Please make sure to have your discussions due on Saturday and then your project assignment on Sunday. If you run into any questions, please let me know. You have 2 big assignments right now, so it can get a little tough. Just please let me know if you run into any problems. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being amazing. Other than that, you guys are awesome. Holler if you need, and that's all I got. So thanks for being amazing. Take it easy. Bye-bye.